Hi, I'm Stephen Moore.
I'm Emily Zimmerman.
I'm Jeff Principe.
I'm Sam Mendes.
And I'm Michael Wong.
And this is our ECE 3430 Intro to Embedded Systems final project. We decided to make a remote control car using the Launchpad and various header boards and other components.
This is our remote control. And on our remote control, we have a MSP 430 Launchpad, an accelerometer, header board, and a wireless header board. And for our connections, we had to wire the Launchpad to the header boards, and we decided to unjumper the connections so that we could have external power to the Launchpad using a battery pack. And for the accelerometer has 8 LEDs, and which determine the X and Y angles, and the tilt of the accelerometer determines the speed of the car. And the accelerometer readings are sent to the wireless header board. And this wireless header board sends a signal to the other wireless header board on the car through Manchester phase encoding. So we will attach the VCC to the Launchpad, and we'll go through the calibration, and we'll use the button on the Launchpad for calibrating. When the accelerometer is level, it will signify that the car is stopped, and when we tilt it forward, the car will move forward, and backward, it will move backward, and the car will turn left or right.
This is the actual car that we built, and it has 4 different header boards on it.
Alright, so this header board is the wireless controller. You can see the antennas right over here. We have the 2 motor controllers. We have the right and the left, as well as the launch pad in the back. And so all of these are connected together. Each of these take 4 pins each, and this takes 4 as well. And so what happens is we have all these wires wiring them underneath, as you can see, as well as the battery packs on the side. And
What we did is we connected it all using plexiglass, and we drilled in the motors to the board. We have the boards connected up here using Legos, so they're up off the board. And then we have eraser markers so that we don't run it into walls.
alright, so now we're going to turn it on. We have 2 different powers that we need. The 4 packs of batteries for the motors over here, and then we also have the connector up top. Alright, so as you can see, the LEDs are on, so the Launchpad is turned on, and this should be ready to go.
So here we have the car and controller hooked up together. And so as you can see, it's level, and the wheels are not moving. And when we start to tilt it forward, the wheels start to tilt forward. And as you tilt more, they get faster. And then when we tilt it back to level, they stop. And as we go backwards, they reverse and stop. And as we tilt to the left, they spin in different directions. And when we tilt to the right, they spin in the other direction.
As you can see, we've got our car ready to go. We've got our controller ready. Lights are flashing, means that it's not moving. So let's try to make it go forward. Turn forward. Yeah, there we go. Go a little faster. And as I try to keep up with it. Okay, and let's stop. Alright, let's try to do the same thing going backwards. Pull back. It's a little overzealous when it's going backwards. And stop. Okay, now for some turning. So we're going to try turning to the right. So try to turn to the right. Oh, there we go. It's a little bit of friction on that back wheel, but it is turning. Okay. And turn it all the way around. stop. So you've seen the car, you've seen the controller, and you've seen it run in theory. Now let's see if we can actually do a challenge. Run it down the hall and into the embedded lab, right? See how fast we can do this.
Go speed racer, go speed racer, go! He's off and flying as he guns a car around the track. He's jamming down the pedal like he's never coming back. Adventure's waiting just ahead.
Awesome. Very good. Thank you.